Making eggs makes a mess. They stick to the pan, they flop when you flip, and the yolks always drip. And after you cook them up, there's all that cleanup. What you need is the Rolly Eggmaster, the fast, easy, pan-free way to make perfect eggs every time. Just crack, pour, and Rolly Eggmaster pops up delicious eggs in minutes. It cooks your eggs just like a real pan, without all the butter, fat, and mess. Look at that! And what makes Rolly eggs really great is their new easy-to-eat shape. Make a delicious bacon and egg rolly for breakfast, or a vegetable egg white rolly for a healthy lunch. If you can make toast, you can make a mouth-watering rolly treat. Just crack, pour, and watch them pop up in no time. The secret is vertical cooking technology that combines a cylindrical non-stick cooking surface surrounded by a revolutionary heating element, so your eggs pop up hot, fluffy, and perfectly cooked. And because of their round shape, you can take them for a quick meal on the run, or serve up bite-sized party fun, or cut them to add fantastic flavor to salads and sandwiches. And eggs are just the beginning. Make a tasty rolly burrito, a perfect pizza rolly, or a cinnamon rolly for a delectable dessert. It's perfect for the office, RV, or dorm room. Plus, cleanup is a breeze. Stop making all this mess and let Rolly make perfect eggs that taste their best.
The reviews are in, and cooks everywhere love the award-winning RoboStir. Now let's hear what people like you have to say.
RoboStir does all the stirring for you. It's so easy, it's ingenious.
All you do is press the button. My kids can use it.
It is waterproof, it's battery operated. You just stick it in there and walk away.
It's dishwasher safe and simple to clean.
It makes life that much easier.
The award-winning RoboStir is like having a third hand in the kitchen. It spins and stirs, and the silicone feet even get up against the edges so nothing sticks and nothing's left unstirred.
The low, medium, and high settings are going to give it a very even cook on your pasta.
I love it with my gravies.
Any type of Alfredo sauces, cheese sauces.
RoboStir is my favorite kitchen gadget.
The secret's the orbital gyroscopic action that ensures no spot is unstirred or untouched. From underneath, you can see how the RoboStir keeps everything moving. It stirs so you don't have to. The base, legs, and feet are 100% waterproof, even in boiling water. It's battery operated and so sturdy, it can stir for up to 4 hours and stand heat up to 572 degrees.
You get everything on the bottom of the pot and nothing sticks.
It stirs for you. It won't let things scorch in the bottom of the pan.
I love the fact that it's doing my job for me, hands-free.
Hi, I'm Matt. I'm really excited to try the Innova Precision Cooker. I haven't cooked sous vide before, but I can't wait to give it a shot.
I had a couple questions, but thankfully I have Bill Clark from Innova here to answer them for me. So Bill, what is sous vide?
Great question. So sous vide, or precision cooking, has been around for decades. It's been used the world over by top chefs everywhere. All you need to do is, with the device, put it into your pot, you submerge your food into the pot itself, it circulates the water to a very precise temperature, and you always get the desired doneness you want.
What would make this better than, say, grilling?
I love that question, it's probably my favorite. Grilling is all over the map. You have hot spots, you have cold spots, and everything in between. With precision cooking, you don't have to worry about any of that. You set your device to whatever doneness you like. Medium rare steak, 129 degrees Fahrenheit. You set the device, you hit play, and when that comes out, it's going to be exactly 129 degrees all the way through. It'll be perfect.
The Anova Precision Cooker is easy to use. First, you fill a medium-sized pot with water. Then clamp the Anova Precision Cooker. Then you sync your cooker to your app, put your food in a plastic bag, then clamp the bag into the water when the water is at the set temperature.
So the cool thing about our device is that you can start a cook from the interface, or you can use our app. The app itself has time and temperature guides to create that perfect steak we were talking about, or you can use the hundreds of recipes that we have in the app to choose from. The device, it's the app itself, all you need to do is just press start once you've chosen a recipe, and the app will take care of the rest. So the best part is you never have to worry about overcooking your food. It's always going to be the exact same results every single time. You don't have to worry if you have, kids, if you have a life. You will still be able to come back and your food will be ready at the exact temperature you set it at. And then the other half is that you'll never waste food. It's always going to be the exact same results every single time.
All right, the moment of truth. Perfect medium rare, edge to edge, looks delicious. Let's give it a go. That's really good. That's better than being at a restaurant, and I did it myself. This was awesome.
Fresh tortillas. There's nothing like them. But unless you're lucky enough to live near a local tortilleria, chances are you're mostly buying processed off-the-shelf packages at a grocery store. Which is kind of a shame, really. Flatbreads are one of the oldest, simplest man-made foods on earth. But I get it. People don't always have the time or energy to spend an hour in their kitchen making fresh tortillas for a single meal. Kneading, baking, cleaning up. But considering that they're an essential part of breakfast, lunch, and dinner, don't you think you deserve better than dry, prepackaged tortillas? Me too. This is Flatdev. It makes fresh, perfect tortillas in seconds at the press of a button. It starts with this. This little pot contains a fresh single-serving portion of dough. That's water and stone-ground corn or wheat flour, all natural, non-GMO, organic. You drop in a pod, select how soft or crispy you like it, tell it if you're making a flour or corn tortilla, and boom, done. The drawer keeps your finished tortilla warm, in case you're making more than one at a time. Maybe you're in the mood to try a little something sweet for breakfast, or spice things up at dinner with a chili-flavored tortilla. And because they're fresh when you eat them, not when you buy them, they're even better than what you can buy at a bakery. Think about it. And since each pod makes a single tortilla, you only make what you actually eat, so it cuts down on food waste too. When your bread is fresh, your meals are tastier. When your ingredients are fresh, they're not full of additives, so it's healthier. When you use Flatdev, it's faster, it's better, it's delicious.